Hello everyone, this is Ruel, CEO and founder, Karatbars International. Today I have some good news for you. Right now we are producing our new product. We received our first CashGold exchange machine, the CEM. And from October we start with the delivery around the whole world.
This is a video on how to use the Karatbars machine. We are going to show you the options. You have 3 on the main screen. We are going to go for the redeem QR code. Here you have 2 options. We're going to go for the Karatbars CashGold. And now we have to scan the QR code from our account. We have 8 options here to choose an amount which we want. I'm gonna go for the 5 and I'm going to agree with the terms and conditions and hit next step. And here we have 5 CashGold. Yay! So, this is the Karatbars. You can easily recognize it by its logo and the colors, of course. Gold is our color. This is the confirmation page from our transaction.
And here you can see our new IMpulse K1 phone. It's based on a completely new technology. It fully encrypted all informations like your text, voices, medias and documents. Also, our data is encrypted on the IPFS platform. Everything you transmit will be encrypted and visible to only the user you want. Beside of this, you will get a lot of other possibilities with this phone. The telecommunication market is a $1 trillion market. This market is divided in 5 important continents. So in September you get your phone, you will be excited. The next point is our CashGold. I want to show you how we produce our CashGold here in Stuttgart. So now here is our brand new CashGold machine. We produce here in Stuttgart our CashGold for you, for the people in the whole world. And here you see we have the application. They fix the gold element on the foil. Then the robot fix the gold element. After that we have the DNA application and then the glue fixation. And after this, we have the CashGold already. So, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the 4th of July was a big day for Karatbars. Everyone can change 100 coins in 1 gram. And a lot of people did it. You see it here.
And we are so happy to be here to witness history being made today, Golden Independence Day. We're so excited to be here. I've already exchanged my KBC coins, 100 of them, into pure physical gold, as our CEO and founder, Mr. Harold Seitz, promised.
So when you see everything is on the way, everything coming out and very fast, very soon, yeah. And on this point, I will say thank you for all the leaders they trust Karatbars since 8 years. And thank you very much. This was a fantastic journey with you, and I can say congratulations. The people, they are a long time in Karatbars. They are financial independent, and you will see if you go your way, you go straight, you look not right and not left, you go straight, you will reach your goal. Because some people, they give some messages. In the other side, if you have your focus on this, what you want, then you get everything what you want. I will say thank you very much for listening to me, and see you in September. Here was Harold Seitz, CEO and founder Karatbars International.